The purpose of Te Hononga is to bring potential Māori graduate students to Oxford, to demystify this university as the world's leading university for the 7th year in a row, to create spaces for Māori students to belong here, to find out what it takes to apply for programs here, to meet with staff, and so that's what we've done this week, and it's been incredible watching particularly our young people eyes light up that this place could be for them.
There are two main purposes to the Haerenga this week. The first of which is Te Hononga, the program, the connection, the kind of bridging of Māori tertiary students in Aotearoa to Oxford as an institution in Oxford University, for the prospects of future study, for future engagements if it's not study, talking to professors, talking to the international community about what they're doing in a place like Oxford, an academic kind of hub or centre. The second main purpose of the Haerenga is to celebrate the legacy of the first wahine Māori to attend Oxford in the 1920s, which was Makareti Papakura, who made her way to Oxford well before many other, not just Indigenous students did, but also people of colour, wahine of colour in general. And so we've got kind of like a double-pronged kaupapa happening at the moment, but very much intertwined, following in the footsteps of someone like her and looking to the future on how we can promote more engagement for Māori in places like this.
For me, the trip is amazing, just to be in this space of Oxford that you've heard about when I was younger growing up and seen on TV or read about it in books, the Oxford Press for example, and to be here has been an experience and an opportunity not to miss. So it's, yeah, love it so far. The highlight for me so far is being with a group of whānau from home who are on this academic journey, either for themselves or for their whānau hapua iwi. And to be all together here in Oxford and talking and thinking about the opportunities that this place offers, it's a blessing and it's a wonderful experience.
The highlight of this Haerenga for me so far has been seeing, believing in the rangatahi that are currently here, as well as seeing the potential within them to maybe coming to Oxford and following mātauranga Pākehā, then bringing back that mātauranga for the betterment of our iwi, our hapu and our whānau. One quote that's resonated within myself was a whaia from Kenya who spoke just before. She said, "You can't be what you can't see, but there's no limit to your imagination."
In terms of my future, coming to a place like this, it's really opened my eyes and broadened my horizons. One of the key themes of being here that's been highlighted almost every day is diversity of cultures. Some of the programs here have over 60 countries within just one program, and so with that diversity comes diversity of thought, and in that way we can formulate different ideas and become future leaders of tomorrow.